Welcome back. We're at our house. It's coming together quite nicely, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So let's have a look and see what the progress is. It's been a while. Oh, they may have actually. Yeah, they have. There's a deadbolt right there. Well, that was a short-lived video. It's locked.
Go the other way.
Yeah, the back might be open.
But I think if they lock, they would lock everything.
Yeah. Because they're doing fixtures and stuff at the moment. Oh, it is in!
Yeah.
That's a bloody big tank. That thing is huge. I'm like 6 foot, and it's huge. Like, damn. They still got to hook it up though, because there's nothing hooked up to it. So. Oh, they're tiled. The tiles are looking nice. It's like a virgin walking on water. Yeah, everything's locked.
Damn. No one does the door because the gate's not locked properly.
Yeah. Hopefully they fix that. There's a gap.
Oh, I think they would have to.
We'll see. Downpipes are in. Splashback looks good.
Yeah, I saw the splashback.
Yeah. And they've done the metal cornice as well, which I don't like. In the middle, it's metal, so why not just join it?
Funny.
Hey, Ming.
It's open.
It's open.
Yes!
It's open. Oh. Don't touch anything. It smells like wet paint. Oh man, it's a strong smell. But yeah, that's the laundry. It's a nice sink. Yeah, the paint hasn't really. Yeah. So this is the kitchen, as we all know. You've seen the other videos. But the paint's in, the roof's painted, flooring, the scooning's in. Yeah, like the fridge, the water tap for the fridge. Yeah, the shelving, backsplash. Yeah. Nice big window. Yeah. Entertainment area, sliding doors. Press. Still no shelves. So we got bedroom. One of the bedrooms. Oh, these are cool little handles. I didn't think we'll get these little handles for the wardrobe. Like, A nice little cut in on the bottom, but that's I thought I was expecting an actual handle like this. We've got the bathroom. Oh, the bathtub's in.
Yeah.
No shower yet. The shower head's in.
Yeah, the shower has in.
Yeah. That's a big basin. Like that's huge. And then on this side, what do we got? Another little linen press. There's another toilet and basin. Not
Nice. Not bad.
bad. Another bedroom. Again, wardrobe. Here's the other bedroom. So this is all the other rooms, so like the kids' rooms, guest rooms, home office, what do you want to call them. Here is the theatre room. Soundproofing on the walls to help dampen the sound. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. Through here is the garage, and it's locked, so we're going to leave that. The front door here also, which appears to be locked as well, so we're going to leave that. Nice open, let some sunlight through. Here's the main bedroom. Lots of light. These windows are huge. So much light coming through it. It's great. And then here you've got the little walk-in wardrobe. There's some shelving all through here. Whatever that looks like, we'll see. And here, ooh. Why is there water? Anyway, they're still doing their thing, so. Yeah, double basin, shower. It's coming along nicely. What do you think? Along quite nicely? Yeah, I'm excited.
Coming up so quickly. I
Yeah,
like the paint color.
the paint colours come out really
Yeah, it
nice.
comes out better than I thought.
Agreed. And like so much natural light coming through here as well. Like this is crazy. So, very happy.
Nice paint.
Yeah, it's not white. It's like an off grey Snow White.
Bluish.
Yeah. Either way, like that's your white roof. Don't know if you're able to see on the camera, but that's the white roof and that's the wind. Like they're two different colours. So we'll see. However, have you seen the floor? I'm not sure where the water's come from.
No. Like there's a do you see the wall between the tiles?
Yeah.
They have to refill them, right?
Yeah, they'll put a grout or something in there.
Even near the splashback.
Yeah, like they've got in the corners there and stuff. They yeah, all along here. It's not. Yeah, the corners aren't done. They just need to come back and do it. So, oh, that's probably where the water's come from. The window's opened.
No, I don't think it comes from there.
Yeah, but the window's open a slight. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm surprised how much light comes through this window. So much light. I like the height of the ceilings too. It's just the right height. Did they? Oh yeah, they put the laundry one in too. So yeah.
Not the shelving though.
Not the shelving, no, the shelving's coming in later. Oh yeah. Nice big storage. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah.
Because I think the shelving would have been, the storage would have been a bit limited. 'Cause, yeah, can't use that space much, but yeah. So yeah, that's the house where it is at the moment.
Bins are in.
Oh, bins are in.
We got bins.
Yes, that's where the bins are, which is good because we can cut them straight in kind of thing.
week.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the house at the moment. Should be done within what are they saying? 4 weeks?
Yeah.
About that. So we'll see what happens in 4 weeks. We'll bring another update. See yous.